Johnny Depp's $50 million lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard are getting dirtier. Despite referring to herself as a victim of domestic violence in the Washington Post op-ed, disturbing revelations about Heard's past are coming out as the case continues. Let's look at some of these disclosures that will leave tongues wagging. Johnny Depp's security detail revelation. On the 11th day of the case, the security teams of Johnny Depp took to the stand. A personal bodyguard and security detail of the Pirates of the Caribbean star, Malcolm Connolly, testified via a video call. Connolly detailed all he witnessed during Johnny Depp's marriage to Amber Heard. In this testimony, the actor's security detail presented graphic evidence to back up his claims. Johnny Depp's bodyguard claimed that the star was not happy in his marriage to Amber Heard. Furthermore, Malcolm Connolly noted that Heard was initially kind, but her attitude changed dramatically over time. Amber began to shift. She became fiery and demanding, and she could go from hot to cold in seconds, he went on to describe. Connolly stated that the actress always wanted to be in charge in the relationship, indicating that she was dominant. Johnny Depp, on the other hand, remained silent. However, the bodyguard never saw Amber Heard injured, but he did observe injuries on Depp. Malcolm Connolly described the marks as scratches to swelling. The bodyguard displayed images that corroborated his story. During the actor's honeymoon, the injuries on Johnny Depp's face were well seen. The majority of the marks were on his face's left side. His lip was puffy, and he had bruising around his eye. He slammed into a door, or a door slammed him. Connolly, who knows how to spot any work-related injuries, remarked. The bodyguard did not see any of the couple's arguments, but he did hear her scream. Connolly claims that he once observed a bottle tumble down the stairway and decided to remove Depp from the situation. Finally, he claimed to have witnessed the actor doing drugs, but that it had no effect on his acting career. "I think Jack Sparrow is drunker than Johnny Depp," he said. Depp warns Amber of violence in a video and audio clips. Jurors were shown an audio clip in which the actor from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise appeared to threaten Heard with violence if their discussions became heated. Amber Heard held back tears as a judge saw a video of Johnny Depp assaulting cabinets during a fight that she covertly filmed. Ms. Heard was visibly moved as she viewed footage of Mr. Depp destroying a kitchen at his house in West Hollywood, California, while the couple was still married. Ms. Heard closed her eyes and stared down as the video played in the Virginia courthouse, where the couple's multi-million-dollar libel trial is being fought. It was shown during Mr. Depp's cross-examination by Ms. Heard's counsel at the end of the second week of the trial. Mr. Depp may be heard saying "motherfucker" in the footage. Someone could be heard yelling "motherfucker" and pounding a wall. "All I did was say sorry," Ms. Heard was seen on film telling Mr. Depp. "Is it true that something happened to you? No, I don't believe so. You drank the entire bottle this morning? You're a shithead." Mr. Depp was questioned if he had drunk a mega pint of red wine by her attorney, to which he replied that he had poured himself a large glass of wine. "It seemed necessary to me. I assaulted a few cabinets," Mr. Depp admits, "but I didn't assault Ms. Heard. I did not want to intimidate Ms. Heard," he continued, "but why was she filming if she was afraid? Why didn't she flee if she was terrified to death?" Members of the jury were also shown a People magazine cover depicting the aftermath of an alleged headbutt, in which Ms. Heard appeared to have black eyes. Mr. Depp was questioned about an incident in December 2015. He stated that he restrained Ms. Heard during a quarrel and that she believes he had butted her. He argues any contact was incidental as a result of her struggle. "I was attempting to restrain Ms. Heard, and once I had done so, I could not restrain her. If she's still attempting to move or kick at me, they may collide. A headbutt, on the other hand," he informed the judge, "that's quite excessive." In court, a long audio tape of the ex-spouse's yelling was played, in which Depp can be heard trying to escape the conversation. "I don't want to be with you," he can be heard telling Heard. Depp removes and throws what is eventually confirmed to be his wedding band in the recording, which hits the ground with a succession of clangs. "Anywhere," Depp said in response to his lawyer's question about where he was trying to go on the tape. "Away." Another long scene shows Depp and Heard arguing how they handled arguments. Heard begs Depp not to leave so frequently. "When you walk away from me, it causes me so much worry," Heard remarked on the audio. "I want space, and I'm going to take it whether you like it," Depp says. Depp later added in the audio, "This is not happiness." Heard responds, "This is causing me so much stress that I will die. Please don't do this to me. It's killing me," she went on. "You're killing me." Finally, Depp confessed to some of the most devastating evidence given after Thursday's cross-examination. a 5-minute audio tape from one of Depp and Heard's final in-person meetings in 2016. Depp can repeatedly be heard attempting to persuade Heard to cut him with a knife and vowing self-harm on the recording. He inquires, "Do you want me to cut somewhere?" She says, "Please don't harm yourself." He responds, "If you don't, I will." Throughout the clip, Heard tells Depp not to hurt himself and that she too will not cut him. "I wasn't threatening to hurt myself," Depp stated when he was asked about the audio clip's context. He said he was broken and asked Heard to spill my blood since that was the only thing she didn't have at that moment. "I was at the end of my rope," Depp stated. "I couldn't handle it any longer." Text evidence. The court heard witness to multiple text messages and sound files in which Depp called her derogatory names and seemed enraged as the defense presented evidence. In court, a text message from Depp to his agency was also read. "She will strike the wall hard," warns Depp in the statement. "I can only pray that karma intervenes and takes away her gift of breathing." After that, another text from Depp to his bodyguard was read aloud, in which Depp warned that if anyone asked about his relations with Heard after their divorce, he would bite off and consume their nose. More Depp texts were provided as evidence to his physician in 2015. Depp says Heard is as full of shit as a Christmas goose, in a lengthy statement. He complains about Heard's ambition in the message and suggests that he was obtained to help her boost her career. In the same text to his doctor, Depp adds, "I sliced the tip of my middle finger off," though the actor claimed that this was not a confession of self-mutilation, but rather simply the way it was stated. Depp testified on the now famous text between Depp and WandaVision's Paul Bettany while on the witness stand. Depp referred to Heard as a loose whore in the chats, suggesting that they drown and burn her before having sex with her burned body after that to ensure she's dead. Depp stated that while the language used in the letters was not to his liking, the messages were never intended to be taken seriously. He claimed that the statements regarding burning Heard's body were references to dry British humor, specifically Monty Python. Amber Heard's extramarital affairs. Amber Heard, as revealed, had 2 extramarital affairs with SpaceX CEO Elon Musk and fellow actor James Franco, according to Johnny Depp's lawyers, while still dating the Pirates of the Caribbean star. Mr. Justice Nicol, the presiding judge, questioned what impact the claimed affairs had on the defamation lawsuit against The Sun's publisher and its chief editor Dan Wooton before the High Court. Depp's lawyer, David Sherborne, said proof of many affairs is crucial because it would establish false motives for the claimed violence Heard alleges she experienced as a result of Depp's presumed paranoia and misguided conviction that she was disloyal. Mr. Sherborne also mentioned CCTV evidence taken on May 22, 2016, from Depp and Heard's LA apartment elevator, which shows the actress with a man rumored to be Franco. He stated the duo had an affectionate encounter hours after the final instance of abuse claims, when authorities were called to the property. Depp's team is now requesting disclosure of any communications between Heard, Musk, and Franco throughout a specific period in 2016. Meanwhile, her ex-husband claims in court filings that Heard had a covert romance with Musk starting a month after she married Depp. According to court documents, the unlawful relationship comprised a threesome consisting of Musk, Heard, and model Cara Delevingne. Did you enjoy this video? Who do you think will win this case? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, take a second and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and exclusive revelations on this legal battle. See you on the next one!